Welcome to our Defining Listing Rules video tutorial. You can think about listing rules as your very own 24-hour robot that helps you list around the clock and helps you automate the entire listing process. So how do you define a listing rule? Currently, I'm in the listing details page. Let's just say I was selling NBA superstar posters, and they're very hot in the market. And let's select several of our listing details. LeBron James US auction listing, a LeBron James Australia auction listing, and then a Kobe Bryant US auction listing. Then I could go ahead to the action drop menu and go to listing rules and create listing rule. Now you've arrived at the add listing rules page. And I go ahead and specify a rule name to help me easily keep track of my rules. Let's call it LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, and let's just say the posters are they're very much in popular demand, and I want to list them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8, 8:30, 9 p.m. when people get off of work and are apt to shop more. And then we have two different rule types to select from. One is launch listings using a reoccurring schedule, which is optimal for auction listings. Per Best Match 2.0, auction listings major contributing factor to search rankings are ending time. The first listing rule allows you to specify the ending time of your auction listings. And the second listing rule is actually always keep a fixed number of listings active, which is perfectly complementary to fixed price listings, which we'll discuss later on. Okay, so you can see in step one, currently the LeBron James US auction and Australian auction and Kobe Bryant US auctions are binded to this listing rule. And then I could specify the days that I want to list them. We mentioned earlier we want to list them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then specify the times, 8 p.m. when people get off of work. Specify the start date. Let's start it today and end it shortly after Christmas. The number of listings I want to launch is 3 listings per listing details binded to this listing rule. Time increment, let's space them apart by 30 minutes as we don't want them to be too close together. And then this means that you've just told GlobalLink to list these listing details recursively on a weekly basis. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8, 8:30, and 9 o'clock for LeBron James US auction, a LeBron James Australia auction, and Kobe Bryant US auction. That is a total of 3 listings per day per listing details. So that's a total of 9 per day or 27 per week. So this is how it looks on Excel. So you will see that for LeBron James US listing, we will list 3 at 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock on Monday, 3 on Wednesday, 3 on Friday. For the Australia listing detail, we'll go 3 on Monday, 3 on Wednesday, 3 on Friday. And then for the Kobe Bryant US listing details, it's the same thing. 3 on Monday, 3 on Wednesday, 3 on Friday recursively. And this will go roundabout until December 26th. So that is 9 per day on Monday, 9 on Wednesday, 9 on Friday. And this entire process is automatic. Furthermore, the beauty of these listing rules is they can operate across products, which we see now, across listing formats, and across eBay accounts. Yes, you can actually use a listing rule to manage products across eBay accounts. And most importantly, the scheduled listing fees are free. You don't have to pay a dime for each listing that goes up at a set time in the future. And then with this listing rule, most likely we want to bind a relist rule onto here, and we can select from 3 different types of relist rules. One is always generate a new listing, so we'll never relist anything. Or the popular one that goes along with auction listings are always relist unsold fee credit eligible listings, which means that we'll prioritize the listing of unsold fee credit eligible listings to save you on eBay fees, which we can visit the Learning Center and learn more about. And then you can have the option of automatically revise relisted listings with latest listing details, meaning that if you update any details uh, as this rule progresses, meaning that, for example, on December 10th, you want to raise the price of these posters because they're very hot and it's getting closer to Christmas. Let's just say you want to raise it from 10 US dollars to 15 US dollars. That means if you select this option, that means that every time when a listing is relisted, it'll first refresh it to 15 US dollars and then relist it. Now the third option is always relist sold listings to improve best match results. And this is optimal for fixed price listings. And so once we click OK, then your rule is ready to launch and you're ready to go.